people should learn digital marketing because it's already a very essential skill, not just only for a marketer but also for anyone that actually interested in this or wanted to know more like how editing works and all. Yeah. My name is Eda and I'm 21 this year. Currently I'm a student but I'm taking a gap semester. So I'm off school and I'm working, and yeah, I'm studying econs and minor in education. From my previous internship, I did something on like email marketing, but I didn't really like understand it. I just do like whatever my boss asked me to, like create a template and then do whatever with it. And then for my current job, I don't really do like the digital marketing myself, but I'm the one liaised with like the digital marketing company that we are working with on like Facebook advertising and also Google AdWords. Why digital marketing, I would say, is because digital marketing is going to be a very essential skills, especially in job market, and also in my current jobs where I liaise with like the digital marketing people, and I think it's something really interesting and it's really amazing like how it helps our company. Everything's really hands-on. That's exactly what I'm looking for, because to be honest, like there is a lot of like online classes like anywhere, even though it's free and all. It's just that okay, after we have learned the theory about it, do you actually execute it, try it yourself? That's not something that I wouldn't do it by myself. And here, like when we were groups into like with different peoples, and then we get to actually do it and monitor how the ads goes, and then get reviews from the instructor, from our peers and all. I think that's something really helpful, and also great friendships that I got over like past 4 weeks and all. I would say my favorite is actually email marketing. I don't know, maybe that's like one of like the first thing that I actually involve myself, not in class, not outside. And also, I think that's something actually makes a consumer take action. And also, it's like something very personal. When like in email, they say like, "Dear Eda," and whatever. Yeah, so I think that's something very effective. In the future, I eventually want to start my own startup. That's part of the reason I'm taking this course, where this digital marketing skills will come in really handy and all. I think people should learn digital marketing because it's already a very essential skill, not just only for a marketer but also for anyone that actually interested in this or wanted to know more like how editing works, like how the ads in the Facebook works and all. Yeah.